Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, if you have any apps on your device that's crashing, this tutorial is for you. Now of course, let's use an example here. Let's say for example, Instagram is crashing on your tablet. These are generic Chinese tablet. This particular one is called Dynamic Halo. Doesn't really matter the name. Let's say for example, Instagram is crashing. I'm going to show you how to fix the issue. So first of all, identify the app. You can long press. Can go to app info and you'll be brought to this screen. Now just in case you did not get here this way or unable to get here that way, you can go back, and the long way will be to go to settings. Settings will load. You'll search for apps. You tap on apps. You will bring up see all apps. And once your apps are here, you're going to search for Instagram. It's alphabetical. So here's Instagram right here. You're going to tap and select. Here you are in the apps screen, just as before. Now, of course, you'll need next to go to storage. And of course, storage would be where the cache is stored. So go to storage and cache. In some device, you might say storage. So go to cache and storage. You'll be in here. Now, of course, if the app has never been used, it will have no cache and it will not have any storage, as is the case with Instagram here. I have never used it, so I'll have to use another example. So for example, let's go back and let's go to another app that has been used on this particular device. All right, let's use this particular game. We're going to go to storage and cache. And here you go, because it has been used, it does has cache. All right, so let's say this is the one that's crashing. You're gonna go ahead and clear the cache. All right, once you clear the cache, you're gonna go ahead and reboot the device. And once you reboot the device, you're gonna come back, launch the app, and see if the app's still working. If the app does not work, you'd have to come back in here. The next step you're gonna do is clear storage. Now do note, if you clear storage, which is this option up here, what's gonna happen is that the app is going to log you out. So if you had logged into an account on this particular app, you would have to log back in. So clear storage, then go ahead and of course relaunch the app again and see if it works. If it does not work, the next step is to try to uninstall the app. Once you uninstall the app, you're going to go ahead and go back to the Play Store. All right, so the Play Store. Once you go to the Play Store, search back for that app once more and install it afresh. Once you install it afresh, you're going to go again and you're going to log in. All right. And of course, if you do all of those, what should happen is that it should fix most issues with apps crashing. Another thing you can do as well is to check for updates for your apps by tapping, searching for the particular app, or just updating your apps within Play Store as to keep the latest version. If all else fails, you'll have to boot into what we call Android recovery and clear the cache partition. I have a separate video on that. And of course, I can link that so you can actually check it out, how to boot into Android recovery and how to clear the cache partition to fix issues with apps crashing. And you can also fix battery related issues. All right. So if you do all of those, it should fix your apps that are crashing. So see you in the next one, guys. Bye.